What's going on, everybody? This is Jeff with Urban DIY TV, and today we are going to talk about how to turn on the flashlight on your iPhone. If you're anything like me and you just got an iPhone XS and you're like trying to use your cell phone flashlight, how are you going to do it, right? Well, okay, you see this little flashlight icon? It doesn't just work if you just touch it. You have to actually hold it. So hold it. See that little white light? It's on. There you go. Turn it off. Now, if you also are trying to access it from your home screen, so let's say, you're trying to access it from your home screen. 1 second, let me put in my password. Okay, so you're on your home screen and you're like, man, how do I access it? Go to the top right with your thumb and swipe down. There's the home screen. You can see all your features that you're missing, that you've been trying to find. There it is, flashlight. Okay, so, and there is one more option that is actually available for you, if you would like. You can go into the App Store and download a flashlight app, like Flashlight. See? So it does work if you wanted to do a flashlight app. Now, which one to pick, that all depends on what you like, but you just go in here and you type in flashlight. Easy as that. If you guys really miss the home button and you want it on your iPhone XS, there is a trick, okay? You go into your settings, into general. Then, where it says accessibility, okay, you go into accessibility and you're going to find something called assistive touch. Go right here to assistive touch and hit turn on. And there you go. Now you have this. You can see home, control center, device, notifications, custom gestures. Play around in there. That's going to basically give you your home back. Now it starts out up here. You can move it down here. You can move it over here. You can move it right there, wherever you want it. But that's going to basically give you the home button back on your iPhone XS. Hope this video helps. If you guys enjoy videos like this, do subscribe to Urban DIY TV, and we will see you next time.